the British Virgin Islands, home to sun, sand, beautiful turquoise waters, and also home to the legal harvest of endangered green sea turtles and critically endangered hawksbill sea turtles. Yes, that's right. Every year from December to March 31st, the British Virgin Islands government allows the killing of both species on the endangered species list. You wouldn't know this with the way they advertise their turtles. Turtles are on the national park logo and on their welcoming brochure, so they love to sell them to you, just not enough to protect them year-round. Now, a warning, these images are graphic. These pictures were taken by a tourist in December of 2015 in Tortola in the British Virgin Islands. It took 90 minutes to find someone who had turtle, and the fisherman talked about taking 7 to 11 turtles in the days before. Now, why is this important? Well, as we said before, these turtles, the green turtle and the hawksbill turtle, are both endangered. For anyone that might say these turtles belong to the British Virgin Islands, it's not that simple. And they're actually on loan from places like Barbados, Brazil, and Mexico, where they're born. And turtles don't recognize international boundaries. They go where the current and the wind take them, and they will return to their home country to lay eggs if they can. The killing of sea turtles in the British Virgin Islands is not allowing them to do so. And again, green sea turtles are endangered, and hawksbill sea turtles are critically endangered. Now, what does that mean? It means both species could possibly become extinct. Green and hawksbill turtles could become part of history. To understand where green and hawksbill turtles are today, we must look to Columbus. When Columbus came to the Caribbean, and for math's sake, we're going to make this simple. Let's say before Columbus came, there were 100 green sea turtles. Today, there are between 3 and 7 turtles left. And if we do the same math for hawksbill turtles, if there were once 100 hawksbill sea turtles in the Caribbean, there are now between 2 and 5 turtles left. Mathematically, we cannot afford the killing of turtles in the British Virgin Islands if these species are going to survive. What can you do? First things first, you can share this post. Sharing this post means more people see it, and hopefully, what you can do next is sign the petition. Once the number of signatures is collected, this will be delivered to the government of the British Virgin Islands. As well as, you can also email the leader of the British Virgin Islands and the Department of Tourism. Lastly, you cannot visit the British Virgin Islands while this killing continues. Let's be honest, money talks, and if less people visit because of their policies, they will lose money, and they will change their policies because of it. And in the Caribbean, there are plenty of islands with sun, sand, and turquoise waters that are much better to their turtles.